Hello traders, hope you're doing well. One of the most common mistake which a lot of beginners do is as soon as they learn about a strategy, they quickly try to apply the same in the live market without any back testing. This leads to huge losses. In today's video, I would like to discuss about a free paper trading platform which you can use and practice your strategies before you trade in the live market. With this platform, you can also practice your futures and option strategies in the live market without losing your capital. Traders, I will personally share some rules which you need to follow while practicing your strategy during paper trading. If you strictly follow these rules, I'm very sure even in the live market you will be able to make consistent profit. Now, without further delay, let us get into today's topic. Traders, the paper trading platform which we are going to use to test our strategies is called Neo Stocks. I will share direct link to this website in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Or you can also go to Google and search for Neo Stocks and click enter and just click on the first link. You will come to this page. NeoStocks provide a lot of additional features for people who takes the paid service, but that and all is not at all required. The free version is more than sufficient to backtest your strategies. Okay. Now the first thing you need to do is click on free sign up and create an account. Once you create an account, just click on sign in and then you will be able to log into your account. I've already created an account, so I'll log in through that. Once you log in, you'll be able to see this dashboard. Now this is the place where you can backtest all your strategies. Now all the candle movement which you're seeing in this chart or the data which you're seeing about Nifty and Bank Nifty is the live market data. The time now is 2:30. The market is still open. That is why you're able to see this. Now on this left panel, you'll be able to search for stocks, futures and options. For example, if I just search for 35,600, which is almost the current range of Bank Nifty. From here, I can add call options or put options to my watch list. Now let's say I add 35,600 put option to my watch list and I also add 35,600 call option to my watch list. Now both 35,600 call option and put option has been added to my watch list. Now let's say according to your analysis, you feel that the Bank Nifty will go up from this level. What you can do from here, if you just click on buy, you will get various options like market order, limit order, stop loss order, just like how you do it with your broker. Now you can also choose the quantities. Now for the sake of example, let's say I chose market order and I consider two quantities. I can place an order. You can see here market buy of 50 contracts, it got triggered, and whatever you're seeing here is the live market data. Now this is my active position where I have bought a call option of Bank Nifty at 35,600. I have taken two lots. This is my entry price and how much capital is required. Now good thing about NeoStock is the fees and taxes will be also mentioned here. So this will give you a clear idea about what will be your net profit after brokerage and tax. Alright. Now if I want to add stocks to my watch list, very simple. Go to the side panel. Here let's say we search for Reliance. You can click on plus where you can see Reliance Industry is added. Now from here you can buy or sell the stock. Now you can see our profit is 3,600 here. Now before me just taking this trade, I did my analysis, but I do not use this investing.com chatting tool. If you see here, the market created a narrow range. I was waiting for a breakout. As soon as I got the breakout, I entered the trade. See, this was my target. Now what pattern is this? This is a symmetric pattern. Just last week, I made a video on YouTube showing you how to trade with symmetric pattern. It's a very powerful pattern. If you have not watched that video, please go and check it out. Traders, this is our Telegram channel where we have 11,700 subscribers. Just see today how much analysis we have shared for free with our students. Here also you can see symmetric pattern, a symmetric pattern analysis which we shared. This was ceramic ply. As per our strategy, we need to enter the trade when the next candle opens. But the next candle opened below this candle, so our entry did not get triggered. If it had got triggered, it would have been a very profitable trade for our students just like this. Now those who have not joined our Telegram channel, please join. It is free of cost. Traders, what I'm going to tell you right now is very important, so please pay complete focus and attention. Now there are a lot of advantages when you do paper trading. One, You will gain live market experience without losing your money, because the trades what you're doing with is not your real money, it is virtual money, right? But in the live market, you can gain experience without losing your capital. Now, the second advantage that you have is you can backtest any strategies in the live market and see its success rate. Now, just in our channel, we have discussed about so many strategies like symmetric pattern strategy, Heikin-Ashi strategy, CPR and pivot point strategy, and many more. The good thing about Neo Stocks is you can also do paper trading in options. Even for options in our channel, we have made a very good option selling strategy which you can come here and test it in the live market. We also have option buying strategies in our YouTube channel for free. You can watch all that and come here and practice your strategies. It's very important that you practice a strategy before you trade in the live market. Just like advantages, there are also some disadvantages in paper trading. Let us look into that. Then I will tell you some important rules which you need to follow while paper trading. Now, the first disadvantage that you have in paper trading is you will get unlimited capital. If you check my balance here, it is close to 10 lakh rupees. But NeoStock will provide you up to 1 crore rupees of capital to trade in the live market. Now, the biggest mistake which a lot of beginners do is they will try to top up their paper trading account with huge capital. For example, they will go here, they will click on top up and they will top up to 20 lakh rupees, 50 lakh rupees or even 1 crore rupees, which is very wrong. We should not do that at all. Now, let's say in real life you have only 1 lakh rupees which you have allocated for trading. But when you're doing paper trading, instead of choosing 1 lakh rupees, let's say you chose 50 lakh rupees. At that time, what will happen? At that time, you will trade more. For example, let's say you want to buy a Bank Nifty call option. Now, the lot size of Bank Nifty is 25. The margin required, that is, you should have 20,000 rupees. If you're trading with 1 lakh rupees, what is the maximum amount of lots you can take? Let's say you took 4 lots, okay, 100 quantity. It costed 80,000 rupees. At least balance 20,000 rupees, you have to keep it for stop loss and other things, right? Or else your broker will close your trade if the market goes against you. I'm telling you about intraday situation. But instead of topping up your account with 1 lakh rupees, you did a top up of 50 lakh rupees. At that time, will you be worried trading in 100 quantities? No. You will buy how much ever quantities you want. But in real life, will you be able to buy so much quantity with just 1 lakh rupees that you have? You won't be able to, right? So we should not be doing that. Now, when you're doing paper trading, you go to trade panel and check your day's history. The quantity should be equal to the amount which you have allocated for trading. That is why here I just chose 50 quantities, that is 2 lots, which will cost 40,000 rupees. So much quantity is more than sufficient for people who want to do intraday trading in Bank Nifty. Here, instead of choosing 50 quantity, if I chose 500 quantity, then I will not get a proper profit and loss summary for the day, right? If you don't get a proper understanding as to what might be the exact profit and loss you make with a particular strategy, then how can you estimate the profit which you will be able to make in a month using a strategy with the capital that you have? You will not get actual data. So that is why always try to top up your trading account with only the capital which you really have ready for trading. So this is one disadvantage. Now, the second disadvantage of paper trading is you will not be emotionally attached to your trade. For example, let's say your expectation was Nifty will go up from this level, and just at a random place you enter the trade thinking Nifty will go up. But did Nifty go up? It did not go, right? It went down. Now, if you had bought a call option here and market went down by 600 points, here how much loss will you have? Let's just calculate 600 into 50. 30,000 rupees loss. In your real life, if you're trading, will you be ready to lose 30,000 rupees? But people, when they're doing paper trading, this profit and loss, it will not worry them. That is not the real money which is going out from their trading account. So people will not be attached to this profit and loss. They'll try to buy at random places, sell at random places, which they should not do. So this is the second disadvantage of paper trading. Now, this is when the main question arises: how to be a successful trader by backtesting all my strategies in paper trading and also see success in the live market. To be a successful trader in the live market, there are some rules which you can follow while paper trading so that you can significantly improve your trading skills and gain a lot of experience. Let us see what are these rules one by one. Traders, the rules which I'm going to tell you now is very important because it deals with your psychology. It helps you control your mind. So please pay complete focus and attention. Rule number one, you need to treat paper trading as the real trading. You should not take more than 2 trades on the same day. Traders, I've been trading from 8 years. 90% of the time, I will not take more than 1 trade in a day. Only when I see a very good setup, that is when I will take the second trade for the day. Almost all the time, maximum 1 trade per day. That's all. I highly recommend you follow this. Only 2 trades per day. Now rule number 2, your capital for trading. Now if you're trading in stocks or option buying, maximum your capital should be 1 lakh. 1 lakh capital is more than sufficient for trading in stocks and option buying. But if you're practicing your strategy in futures and options, the maximum capital you can have is 2.5 lakhs. Traders, for futures and option trading, 2.5 lakhs is more than sufficient. And if you're trading in equity, 1 lakh is more than sufficient. Now, rule number 3, do not trade with more than 2 lots when you're doing futures and options. Always make it a practice that you do not take trade in more than 2 lots. Rule number 4, do not top up your capital until you make at least 25% return on your capital. Now let's say you want to do option buying or you want to trade in stocks. So what is your capital? It is 1 lakh, right? So when this 1 lakh become 1,25,000, only then you can top up another 1 lakh to your paper trading account. So that time your capital will be 2,25,000. At that time, if you want, you can increase your lot size to 4. Now the last and most important rule is you should not top up your capital if you are making loss. Now if your 1 lakh becomes 80,000, 70,000 and you incurred loss, you should not top up. While practicing a strategy, there will be profit and loss. That is what will happen even in the live market, right? Just because this paper trading platform is giving you unlimited capital, close to 1 crore, you should not keep topping up. Now tell me, in your real life, when you make losses, will you keep topping up your capital? No, right? So you will give a break. So give a little break and see what mistakes you're doing in the strategy. Try to fine tune your strategy and then trade. So these are the 5 important rules which you need to follow while doing paper trade. I highly recommend you write this down somewhere or take a screenshot of this. Whenever you're doing paper trading, you follow these rules. Okay? Traders, the goal of this video was to educate you about paper trading. It doesn't matter you use NeoStocks or any other paper trading platform. Sticking to the rules which I have given you today will significantly increase your success rate, even when you're doing live trading. Traders, I have an important announcement. Last week, on occasion of Women's Day, we had made our complete price action course and 60-day challenge program available at a discount. Since a lot of people messaged me saying that they missed out that opportunity, we have made the offers available again today on occasion of Holi. This offer will be for the next 3 days. Our app download link is there in the description box below. You can go there and purchase these courses. Now traders, it takes a lot of time for us to create such content for you. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you think this video will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.